What's up, guys? And finally I get to show you my daily. Alright, so there's the daily. It's a 2015 Corolla. It's pretty decent condition, has a little bit of scuffs, you know, it's a used car. So obviously I don't expect it to be perfect, but it's good. Gets good gas mileage, that's why I bought it, to be honest, because I drive 40 miles to work, well, front and back 40 miles. So it's pretty good. So today I'm gonna install some LEDs in the interior because the inside is ugly with those halogen bulbs, and I'm gonna also do the fog lights and LEDs. But yeah. Alright, so now that you saw the car, what I'm gonna be doing to it today, I have some interior LEDs and I have some LED fogs to match the headlights, because the stock headlights are LED white. Can't see it obviously, but the fogs are halogen, so I'm gonna change that because it looks weird that it doesn't match. And with these, this is gonna be for the dome up there, and the back one, this one. And they fit the reverse, they're T10, but I'm gonna see if they're bright enough. If not, I'm gonna order the same ones that I have on the Civic. Alright, so these are pretty straightforward. For most cars, when you're doing the headlights on the dome and stuff, you just need like a flat head or something like this. And this is a 2015 Corolla, and it uses the two front ones. They use these little, like the T10s, very common in LED. If that focuses, it's not gonna focus. And we're gonna switch both of those to that. So I'll show you guys how to get that out. So we got two of those for the front. Boom. All right, so it's pretty straightforward. Let's see here. So usually, if this is the correct way, I'm not sure, but this is the way it's always worked for me. I just wedge a flathead and pop it out, and that seems to work. Easy, it didn't scratch nothing. And we just pull out the T10 bulb. And remember, most LEDs are, they have polarity, so it's like positive and negative. So just pop it in. I'm gonna test it out. So it doesn't work. So we just flip it. There we go. So that one's in. So that's the comparison of the two. Well, you can't see it. So there you can kind of see the difference. Hold up, not really. And there you can see the difference. So this is like pure white, and this is like ugly halogen color. So we're gonna do the same thing for that side. So just get the flathead, just pop it out. And I can't get this one out. There we go. So like I said, their polarity, they have positive and negative, so that's good. So see, if it was backwards, it won't turn on. And you just flip it. Pop it back in. There we go. In my opinion, that looks way better than the ugly stock color. Alright, so same thing with, hold up. Same thing with this one, it has that ugly yellow color. So I'm gonna assume it's around the same process I've always done. I use a flathead. There's usually indentations, so this one has it over here. where you can fit a flathead, and it literally pops out. And the back of this one uses not the T10 bulbs. Hold up. So it doesn't use the T10 bulbs, but it uses these style, which is like the dome style bulbs. So I'll just use a flathead to pop this bulb out. And same thing with these are polarity sensitive. So I'll just turn it on and tap it so they didn't turn on that way. So that's the way it goes. So I'll just pop it in real quick. Okay, so we got that in. It was a little bit of a struggle because the bulb kept slipping. And then we just gotta pop this back, so you slide it. Boom. So in my opinion, those look way better than the ugly yellow bulbs that I had before. Also, I believe, since I already have so many spares, yeah, the trunk uses a T10 bulb, so I'm just gonna go ahead and change that one too. So done, super simple. And like I said, I might try to do the reversed, but I just remembered they were different. But I will change the license plate bulbs. So this is the before of how they look. Okay, so the way to get the license plate bulb holder out, so I took out the carpet that covers it, and when you feel on back, there's this clip that's on the left side or on the right side, depending, whatever, this side. You just push it in, you can see it moving, and then the whole thing pops out. So you'll have access to the bulb and etc. And same thing for this side. You just push in that clip and pop it out. And this is a quick comparison of both. So the yellow and the new LED ones. So they're both done. And literally these LEDs are like the perfect size. Might be a little bit too long. They're like hitting this basically. So if I would have got any ones that were a little bit bigger, they would not fit. So I'm glad I didn't get the ones I have on the Civic. So now I just gotta change the reverse lights to LEDs, and I have the front fogs that I'm gonna do for this car. I'm gonna see if I can do it today. Like I said, to match the headlights. So this is how I'm gonna access the fog light, because I hate, you know, if I don't have to do anything through the fender line is where I've done most of the people when I help people. So there I have access to the bulb, so I'll be able to take it out and put the new LED bulb in. So I'll unplug it first. And then first I'm gonna put the bulb in. You can see I'm gonna put the bulb in, and then I'm gonna plug it in. So there we go. We got the fog lights to match the headlights, so we don't have this uneven look anymore. So the passenger side doing this fog was so much harder. Reason being is that behind the fog there's the washer reservoir, and I had no reach. It was literally in my hand like this, and I had to like really force the bulb. Well, not force the bulb, but I had to like hold it in place while I twisted it to the correct position. But it's all done now, and it looks super good. So they basically match the top. They're both white. It's not like a perfect match, obviously, but they're both done. So I like how it looks. And like I said, I did all the interior LEDs and everything, so it looks good.